Today's video, we're going to have a look at a one-piece Roman draw knife, forged steel with case hardened. This one, so it's a nice sharp edge, and this is based on one from Mogorjelo in Bosnia Herzegovina. Roman period find, slight curve to it. It was one of about 5 or 6 examples, which would suggest it was a standard type in the area and not just a blacksmith's one-off. So we'll give it a go on this piece of pine. Now, as you can see, it does function as a draw knife. Not probably good on this piece of pine, it's not exactly the finest quality. But there we have it. The one-piece draw knife from Mogorjelo in Bosnia Herzegovina.